Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hire Buddy. If you're someone preparing for placements or looking for a job in the IT industry, this video is definitely for you. Because today, I'll be sharing complete details about the HCL Technologies hiring process, including test pattern, coding section, interview details, and some secret tips to crack it easily. So, make sure you watch this video till the end and don't miss any part. HCL Technologies Limited is one of India's top IT companies offering roles in various technical domains like automation testing, .NET, Java, Oracle, SQL, and mainframe. Right now, they have multiple openings, more than 1,000 plus positions, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So, if you're from 2024 or 2023 batch, or have recently completed your course, this is a great opportunity to start your career with a reputed brand like HCL. Now, let's understand the HCL test pattern in detail. The total number of questions is 32. Out of these, 15 questions are from pseudocodes which check your logical and programming understanding. 15 questions are from quantitative aptitude, which test your mathematical and reasoning skills. And finally, 2 coding questions to test your problem-solving ability in the programming language you have chosen. That means there are 30 MCQs plus 2 coding questions in total. The difficulty level is moderate, not very tough, but accuracy matters a lot. You should aim to solve at least 25 to 28 questions correctly, and make sure at least one of your coding questions passes all test cases. If you do that, you'll easily score around 70 to 75%, which is more than enough to get shortlisted for the interview. Practice pseudocodes daily, revise logical operators, loops, and condition-based questions. Also, focus on time management because the test is time-bound and you need to balance both MCQs and coding. For the coding round, questions usually come from the stack or domain you have selected while filling the form. So, for example, if you selected Java, coding questions will be in Java. If you selected .NET or Python, then questions will be based on that. Same applies for automation testing or SQL roles. So, make sure to revise your basics, syntax, and logic in your preferred domain before the test. Once you clear the test, the interview round will be scheduled. It's usually technical plus HR combined, and questions will come only from the stack you selected earlier. For example, if you selected Java, be ready for questions on OOPS, collections, and exception handling. For automation testing, expect Selenium and framework-related questions. For SQL, revise joins, normalization, and stored procedures. Apart from technicals, they'll also check your communication, confidence, and problem-solving approach. So, speak clearly and show interest in learning. The best part about this opportunity, immediate joining. That means once you clear all rounds, you'll quickly get your offer letter and joining date. HCL has large-scale openings, so don't miss out. Remember, 1,000 plus openings means they are hiring in bulk, but competition will also be high. So, prepare smartly and revise all your basics. If you're preparing for HCL or any IT company, just keep in mind, consistency beats everything. Even if you're an average coder, practicing daily and revising concepts will help you clear the test easily. Believe in yourself, this could be your first step toward a great IT career. So go ahead, apply, prepare, and grab this opportunity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below your preferred domain, whether you're preparing for Java, .NET, testing, or SQL, and I'll make detailed videos for each role separately. All the best everyone for your HCL exam and interview.